Hello guys, so I'm gonna show you how I turn any color into white and reverse, how I color the white. In this case, I'm choosing the yellow color, which is the brightest. You want to work with the brightest color you have. In this case, my brightest is yellow, but also the green one. As you can see, I have all my layers down at there. You have to remove the saturation and you end up with a gray color, and then you duplicate the gray layer and set it on screen. Now I know my Photoshop is in Italian, but it doesn't matter. You can do the same. Now you set the second layer into screen mode and you end up with a white color, but it's not finished yet. We want to turn the white into, I don't know, another color. Let's say I'm using orange. What we have to do, double click on the white, and we want to drop a color on the layer. So I'm gonna choose an orange. I'm gonna choose different setting for this layer. In this case, I have the color mode on is not working because it's not the saturated normal orange that I want. I have to play with different option. In general, what I do is try the multiply, which it doesn't really work most of the time unless you work it on. Then I try the one that works for me in this case as an orange is the linear burn. Keep in mind that orange is a very saturated color, okay? It depends. However, yes, as you can see, it's not a bright orange. It's still a bit, I don't know. I don't like it. I want a bright orange. So I need the curve to help me do that. You cannot do anything without curve. Okay? So open your curves tool. And what you have to do is understand that you see the spikes on the curves. So you have two colors. The dark gray is where you are going to add shadows. And the light gray is where you are going to lighten up the layer. So if I want to make it a little bit, to keep the shadows, because I like the shadows, what you want to do is you want to keep the shadow, so you're gonna move towards the gray and up with the saturation. You see, I'm moving to the right, up to the right, and with the curves, I'm getting what I want. Okay, and then you can play and obtain a lot of new different colors, such as red.